welcome to my YouTube channel Xamarin UI Design. Today we are going to learn about the splash screen and some UI design for entry form and view form. So let's begin. Uh, as you see in a professional app, the splash screen is very simple. It is given some background and in the center the icon is kept. This splash screen should be like this. So I have created one demo. Please follow the step. First you have to add the image that you want to place in the splash screen, and after that create the XML page in the drawable under the resource folder. Write this code. This is the background color. The background color will be this, and this will be the icon, and this is the icon will be aligned in center. After that, in style XML page, it will be in under resource folder under value. This is for Android project. So add all the files in Android project in value folder. There will be already existing file style.xml. So write this code. Give name for style and parent for theme. What parent you have to use, and the window background, the splash background XML we have created. Give the path. So this file is in drawable. So I have given @drawable / splash underscore background. If you add @, it will take whole path. Then after that, in main activity, add @style, then the style name that you have given in style.xml page. After you can see the result, you can run the project, you will get the result. For iOS project, we require Mac PC. I don't have a Mac PC, so I will suggest some video links. Please watch that video. You will understand. It will be easy for you to understand that. But I don't have Mac PC though, so I have not created demo for it. One thing I want to let you know that splash screen size should be this. If you are in Android project, it is drawable, and many drawables are there. Drawable-HDPI, drawable.mdpi. If you are using old Xamarin version, in new Xamarin version, the map HDPI is there, map MDPI is there. In old version, there is only drawable HDPI, drawable MDPI, drawable XHDPI. There is not map folder. So if there is only one drawable folder, then use the image size less than 1000 pixels. If multiple drawable folder is there, then I suggest this size. This is the main size, 320 into 480. Then for large size, it will be the 1.5 of this. If for x size, it will be 2 into this. Same for xs size, it will be 3 into this. Hope you understand all this. And if you want not to add background and whole page should be image, then create the uh, page create the image for uh, full size and add that image in add that give the path image in splash underscore background. um, don't add this this image, you can add here. I have added the splash screen.png. It is small in size. If you create image for full page, then add that image, but give a proper width and height, and it will be look good. Otherwise, it will be cut. Hope you understand this splash screen. If you have any question, then ask me in the comment section. Now we will talk about the uh, entry form and view page. So this is the entry form. So this is nothing but the label and entry. It is simple. I would like to give you tips. Uh, Keep space more between label and entry. It will look good. If you add here another control like a date picker or a switch or a progress bar, then keep more space between the control. It will look good. And in view page, this is view page. This is nothing but label and box view. You can use stack layout. I have used grid, and I have kept all the control in grid. If you want, you can use stack layout and keep control in stack layout one by one. Uh, so if you put this line, it will be look good. But if you want to use this line, then you have to use grid, because if you add a box view in stack layout, it will not show the line in one height. So I suggest you to use grid view. And another thing is that I in view page generally only label is used. So I have to create multiple labels, means I have 50 records, so I have to add 50 labels. Instead of that, you can do one thing. You can add list view. Output will be same. Just add list view. Create a template with 2 labels. I will show you. This is, I have created table with label for title and detail. Title means from, detail means this one. So create template and create class for it. I have created class. For title and detail, then assign a value to it. and after that assign that list to the item source of list view. So it will look will be same. uh, Give me 1 second, I will take screenshot and uh, show you. uh, I have added here list view. As you can see, the output is same. If there is more record, then you can use list view, output will be same. So it is depend on your requirement and your choice what you have to use. If you have to use label, then you can use label or list view. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and comment on this video. Thank you.